Hey everybody, today I wanted to talk about Shino glazes. This is basically one type family of glaze. And I wanted to talk about how Shino creates very unique effects, can create some really interesting effects in the soda kiln, and has these crackling areas and I don't know, just different things that happen that are very unique to this glaze. So if you are interested in Shino, stay tuned. I'm going to go over some of the characteristics. This is a Shino bowl that was made by Warren Mackenzie, who is a famous United States potter, part of the Mingay Montana movement. Sorry, Mingay Minnesota movement. Um, so he learned from a lineage of potters through the Bernard Leach pottery in Britain. And Bernard Leach was a student of Shoji Hamada, who is a very famous Japanese potter and is associated with a lot of the lineage that we see in pottery today. And this is known as American Shino. This was fired in a gas reduction kiln, and it gets this very interesting orange interior. This Shino pot has what is called carbon trapping, which gives it this almost green reptile-like scaly finish. And what's actually happening here is inside of a gas reduction kiln, there is carbon that is created in the atmosphere. And the darker spots are where the carbon actually settled into the glaze and created these dark areas. This is the same exact glaze as I just showed you on the carbon trap piece. This one was put through a soda kiln, and I put some cobalt oxide below the Shino, which gave it this very cool surface. And we have this sort of crazing, crackling that happens with this glaze. And guys, this is all just one glaze. The interior has this very cool crawling effect, and it is still watertight and food safe. This is a feature, not really a flaw when it comes to Shino. Here's more of that crawling effect. You can get some really interesting sort of bubbling, all kinds of really cool things. This one also had Shino and cobalt glaze, but I believe this is just in the gas kiln. This isn't a soda-fired piece. So you can see there's a little bit of difference. It's very unpredictable. If you like control and predictability, then Shino glaze probably isn't for you. But if you're into very traditional Japanese wabi-sabi aesthetic, and you like to play around with things, you like to be surprised, you like these very unique surfaces, then Shino might be the glaze for you.